Gone are the days when publishing a book used to be a tedious task. With the platform that I'm about to show you, you will be able to self-publish your book in no time. And you can do this for completely free, as I will be showing you step by step how to use DRAFT2DIGITAL self-publishing platform. With DRAFT2DIGITAL, all you'll need to do is simply upload your book, and then from there, they will deal with the publishing and distribution, as you can see right here. And yes, this is a legit and popular platform that has been around for quite a few years now. The only fees you'll ever pay on DRAFT2DIGITAL is whenever you get a sale. So if you don't make any money, they won't make any money. And the fee that you'll be paying is a small 10% of the retail price of your book when it comes on to each sale. And that's it. There are no upsells or no hidden fees or anything like that. So you're going to go onto DRAFT2DIGITAL.com and you can create an account for completely free by tapping on new account. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. Once on this page, we're going to tap on add new book, and you can choose to either start with an ebook or start with a print book. And by the way, either format that you choose, so let's say for example print book, after you have uploaded your book, you'll be able to change it into different editions. So you can change it into an ebook. You can also convert it to an audiobook if you want. So we're going to simply tap on I have a front cover art. If you don't have a front cover art, you can tap here and they have a website that they recommend. But what I would recommend you do is go onto canva.com. On canva.com, you can create an account for completely free, and you can use it to not only create your cover art, but you can also use it to create an outline for your book that you can quickly download and use. So once on Canva, you can go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to select custom size. There are different size or formats that are recommended when it comes on to printed books. So you're going to need to input the size that you would like to create your book for. So I recommend that you do a bit of research on that if you don't have an idea at the moment. But for this example, I will be creating an 8.5 by 11 inches book. So you need to fill that in right here, and you want to ensure that the unit is in inches. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on create new design, and you will be redirected to a blank page. On this blank page, all you'll need to do now, you can go over to the top left hand corner, tap on design, then you're going to tap on the search bar, and I want you to type in ebook multiple pages. After you have done that, you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. Keep in mind the templates that says pro, you would have to be a paid subscriber to use those templates. But there are numerous templates that you can use for completely free, as you can see right here. And with DRAFT2DIGITAL, your book needs to be at least 64 pages minimum. So this is an outline that I created. This is 65 pages. So now all we'll need to do, we can tap on share in the top right hand corner, tap on download. After doing that, we're going to change the format from PDF print to PNG since this is the cover, and we are going to unselect all pages and select only page 1. Then I'll tap on done, then tap on download. Once I've done that, I'm going to go back into DRAFT2DIGITAL and I'm going to simply upload my book cover. So let's do that real quick. Then I'll tap on open. Once it has been added, you can scroll down, and from here you can enter in the type of book that you are creating. So I'm just going to say simple answers finance. Then after you have done that, you can select the language. Then you can select related search terms. So for example, I'll type in finance, money, budgeting. After you have done that, you can also choose your author. And if it is a book that contains inappropriate information for minors, you can select right there. But my book does not contain that. Then from here, you can choose the category that it falls below. So I'm just going to be selecting, for example, fiction. And then from there, I'm just going to be selecting general. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Start Print Book. From here, you're going to upload your book interior pages, and you can see the different formats that are supported. So I'm going to go back into Canva, and I'm going to simply go over to the top right hand corner once more, then tap on download. Then I'm going to change it to PDF print, and I'm going to be selecting all pages except the first page. So I want to select all of the interior pages. So I'm going to tap on done, then download. Once it has been downloaded, as you can see right here, all I will need to do now is go back into DRAFT2DIGITAL. Then I'm going to tap on browse, and from here I'm going to simply upload my PDF. So let me do that real quick. I'll tap on open. While it is being uploaded, from here you can type in your description. After you have done that, you can scroll down, and if you'd like to add any paid collaborator or non-authors, you can do that. Then you're going to simply tap on give me free DRAFT2DIGITAL ISBN. Then you'll tap on save and continue. After tapping on next, you'll be redirected to this page. From here you can see our size book from the right hand menu option right here, and you can scroll down and you can see how the interior pages looks. So you can go through all pages, as you can see right there. Once everything is to your liking, all you will need to do, you can scroll down and you can read the different information. Then from here you're going to tap on save and continue. After tapping on save and continue, you will be redirected to another page on which you will be able to choose the price and so on. So you can see right here, you can see how it looks. So you can get a better view right there, and we can choose whether I like our cover to be matte or glossy, and you can see different information that you can quickly edit. And if you would like to download a blank template, you can do that. Or if you would like to upload a custom print wrap around the cover, you can do that also. So we're just going to tap on save and continue. After doing that, you can now set the price that you would like to sell it for. At the moment, if it were to sell for $5.99, you can see that the royalties that we'll be getting is 14 cents with each sale. So you can change that if you want. So let's say we were to change it to $9.99. You can see projected royalties right there, and it will be listed on Amazon and extended distributions. So you can scroll down, and then from here you can select I'm the original creator of this content, and you can select all the necessary information. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save and continue, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.